trying out Cha-Cha-Cha Cafe's new pistachio kanafe donut. Not sponsored, gusto ko lang talaga siya itry. Na-feature ko na before yung old version ng pistachio kanafe donut nila and so-so lang yun for me. But this time, ginalingan ng Cha-Cha-Cha Cafe. Mahal lang talaga siya pero nung natikman ko to, this time, I think it's worth it. The top has chocolate coating, dried roses, and pistachios. Generous yung ingredients, makapal yung chocolate coating, at tingnan nyo naman yung kapal ng pistachio kanafe sa loob. Sobrang lambot nung donut this time. Angat yung pistachio flavor. Hindi dry yung loob kasi may cream filling which added to the overall sarap ng donut. Medyo matamis yung donut but not to the point na cringe na sa tamis. Naubos ko nga na-guilty tuloy ako after. Since nandun na rin ako, hindi ko mapapalampas yung chance na matikman yung pistachio cake nila. Puro good reviews din to kaya I'm excited to try. Sayang lang, sira yung coffee machine nila that time kaya lumipat pa ako ng place para bumili ng coffee. Look at this, ang kapal ng chocolate ganache, dalawa yung pistachio kanafe layer, and the cake part is super moist. On the sweet side, itong cake na to, very rich yung lasa, kaya ito yung tipo ng cake na hindi ko mauubos ng isang upuan. Ang sarap niya, sulit yung price for me kasi generous yung ingredients and angat yung pistachio flavor. Pinag-isipan, pinaghirapan, high quality ingredients, kaya kahit mahal, sulit siya tikman paminsan-minsan para sa akin.